So, Captain Mike, what are we replacing in there?
Okay, it should sound a lot better. It'll look like that DSG pop sounds when you change gear, so win-win.
I agree.
These are your spazzers.
Yep. So this is going to basically, cars as they come standard, and in this case, I can't.
Just stick
that sheet is really troubling me. The car is now done. All the mods are fitted. Turn it around lightning quick. So let's have a little look, and we'll have a listen as well. So first things first, the back of the car. The exhaust is on. We have the new tips. They are very OEM-like, but there's a slight slash cut vibe to them, and they're slightly larger in bore. Bore, is that the diameter?
Bore is the exhaust sort of size.
I tried to be clever.
Yeah. When you say to someone 4 inch tailpipes on the side, they assume they're big, but they're good.
4 inches is massive.
It is.
That's my bird. So anyway, I'm very, very happy with those. They look sick, and they're chrome. It matches the chrome vibe out of the car. I haven't de-chromed anything, so that is why they're chrome. Stop saying chrome. Okay, the spacers are on also. So these are 12.
All the way around, yes.
12 mil all the way around. So what it does, before the wheels were slightly more into the arch, and now it just brings the wheel out slightly, and I believe it creates a slightly more supple ride as well. I've been told. But I think it just adds a slightly more kind of purposeful stance to the car, and I really, really like the way it looks. And obviously the handling as well has improved with a wider track. So very happy with those. Around the front of the car we have the new intake here, and I've been told reliably that this is ceramic coated here. So even when the engine's really, really hot, you can actually touch that apparently, and that keeps the air flowing through here nice and cool. And obviously it's a lot wider than the stock intake system, so there's a lot more air getting into the engine, and this will make a cool sound as well. So I think it looks cool in there. Let's get
Leave that open because you'll like the sound of the turbo.
correct. Yeah, you can hear that. I like that. Do you like that?
I like it.
Much noise, such rustle. There's definitely a lower sort of burble to it. Like
Wait a minute till you get it under load. It's different,
Yeah. I approve, I approve, I approve. Yes. I love that. It still looks like OEM.
Yeah.
That is hilarious. Did you know it was going to make that noise on gear change? That's incredible.
We did say it would make like.
Oh dear, this is not good news for the residents of wherever it is I live. In my cars at the moment. That's ridiculous. I'm excited. So I've heard loads of like A45s in other cars making like fart noises, and I've always wanted. Yes. Much yes, 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 yes. That is, yep, completed it. That's sick. That is sick. Thank you so much. Honestly, that's hilarious. That's so funny.
All that, but I didn't install it. I just wanted to start.
I was going to say, you've installed that, you've done well. It's an auto.
All that money?
Yeah. Cash!
Brakes look really good on it.
How do you sport? There we go. Yeah, I think it still looks quite sneaky, which I like. People, yeah. How do we do manual? There we go. That is aggressive. Sorry, I have sworn again. Are you any good at beeping? That's absolutely incredible. I am very excited by that. That's excellent. Very enjoyable. I like that. We're going to have an accident, by the way.
That's amazing.
As long as we can clickbait it, though.
Oh yeah.
I can't drive, by the way. You're in a lot of trouble. That's honestly, that's so much better. That's ridiculous. I really enjoy that a lot. The ride does feel a little bit more comfy, actually, or maybe I'm just imagining it.
It should feel a bit more stable in the corners because you've got a bit more of a wider track.
Yeah, it's got a much nicer, like, deeper tone to it now as well.
Anyway, that is it from me. I'm going to stop waffling now. I'm going to get home now, but the video is now done. I'm extremely pleased with the Golf. It sounds ridiculous. I couldn't have asked for anything more. It looks a lot better, it sounds better. What more could you ask for? Big thanks to the guys at Motech, and it's worth noting again that this whole package costs £1,000. All right, the parts are about 800 and something, and then the rest is fitting. So for £1,000, you get the exhaust, the intake, and the spacers fitted. Brilliant. The car's completely transformed. So anyway, massive thanks to Motech. Check them out. All the links are below. Instagram, website, the whole lot. It's -10. I'm going to go now. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, blah, 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 and I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Coming. I promise.
That's ridiculous. Still want one? Yeah, next Christmas I'll get a turkey and we'll do it properly. Nice one.